Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of replacing the charging port on your DELL VOSTRO laptop. Before we begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any static damage to your components. Start by powering off your laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. Next, remove the battery if your model allows it. This is crucial for your safety and to avoid any electrical issues during the repair. Now, locate the screws on the back panel of your laptop. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew all the screws. Keep them in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once all screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Be cautious not to damage any clips or connectors. With the back panel removed, you will see the internal components of your laptop. Locate the charging port, which is usually situated near the power connector. Inspect the area for any visible damage or debris. If you notice any dust or dirt, use a can of compressed air to clean the area thoroughly. Next, you will need to disconnect the old charging port. This may involve unscrewing a few additional screws that hold the port in place. Remember to keep track of these screws as well. Once unscrewed, gently pull the charging port away from the motherboard. If it seems stuck, double-check for any remaining screws or clips. Now, take your new charging port and align it with the connectors on the motherboard. Carefully push it into place, ensuring it fits snugly. Secure it with the screws you previously removed. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, so you can have a professional handle it for you. After securing the new port, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Place the back panel back onto the laptop and press down gently to ensure all clips are engaged. Reinsert the screws you removed earlier, tightening them securely, but not overly tight to avoid damaging the casing. Once the back panel is secured, reinsert the battery, if applicable, and connect your laptop to a power source. Power it on and check if the new charging port is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for a professional diagnosis without obligation. Finally, if you prefer not to tackle this repair yourself, remember that we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. With our service, you can enjoy the convenience of no calls, no travel, and a hassle-free experience. Thank you for following this guide, and we hope your DELL VOSTRO is back to working order soon. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.